For years, we've been searching for extraterrestrial life on distant planets in deep space. Our radio telescopes have always been pointed toward the far reaches of the universe. But what if we've been looking in the wrong direction this whole time? What if those alien life forms are already here with us, on Earth itself? Would you believe it if I told you they might be living right where you are right now? What if they've been right in front of our eyes all along, but completely invisible to us, unseen even by our most advanced scientific instruments? This is what scientists call the shadow biosphere. Today, we're going to explore the hidden world of life that may exist within our own planet, a mysterious realm that could just maybe challenge the fundamental laws of physics as we understand it. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right then, let's dive into the story.
Number 1, what is this? Shadow biosphere.
To understand this, let's first think about something simple. From the tiniest ant on Earth, to the massive blue whale in the ocean, to you and me, all of us are built in the same fundamental way. Inside every living being, there is the same basic blueprint. We call it DNA. It's like Lego bricks. The entire living world is constructed from the same type of building blocks. Because of this, scientists long believed that life on Earth began only once, a single origin, a single event. But that idea might be completely overturned. Astrobiologists are proposing a revolutionary possibility that billions of years ago, when life first began on Earth, it may not have started just once, but multiple times in completely different ways. That means a strange form of life, built on a foundation entirely different from our DNA, could have emerged alongside us. Scientists call this hidden form of life the shadow biosphere. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine you are listening to the radio. If your radio is tuned to FM 99.0, you only hear that one channel. But at the exact same moment, FM 88.0, FM 100.0, and many other stations are broadcasting in the same space around you. You just can't hear them because your radio isn't tuned to their frequency. The shadow biosphere could be something like that. These life forms are not operating on the channel of life that we know. Their bodies may not be built from carbon or from the familiar molecules we recognize. Their chemical foundation could be entirely different. Some scientists even speculate that instead of carbon, they might be based on silicon. These beings wouldn't be giant monsters. They would most likely be microscopic organisms. But because their chemistry is so different, they could be all around us, maybe even resting on your hand right now, like invisible ghosts living on a separate layer of reality within our own planet.
Number 2, why can't we see these creatures?
So if these strange life forms are everywhere, why hasn't our evidence science discovered them yet? That's where the real question lies. The truth is this: we have only ever searched for what we already know how to find. Our most powerful microscopes, DNA tests, laboratory instruments, all of them were designed for one specific purpose: to detect the kind of life we are familiar with, life that contain DNA and RNA. Imagine you are holding a metal detector. You take it to the beach and scan the ground for iron or gold, and yes, it will find them. But that same machine will never detect a piece of plastic buried right beneath your feet. Even if the plastic is right there, the detector stays silent. This is exactly what may be happening to scientists. When we collect soil from forests or water from the ocean and analyze it in a lab, the chemicals we use are specifically designed to react only with DNA. So even if these shadow organisms built on a completely different chemical foundation are present in that soil or water, our instruments simply wouldn't see them. They would slip through our tests like light passing through glass. This is the greatest blind spot in modern science. Here's the real mystery. Just because our instruments can't detect them, does that mean these invisible life forms leave no trace behind? There may already be powerful clues right in front of our eyes, evidence that suggests they could truly exist.
Number 3. Mysterious evidence.
If invisible life forms exist on Earth, undetectable by our microscopes and DNA tests, how do we find them? Scientists say that even if we can't see them directly, we might be able to observe the changes they leave behind in the environment. And one of the biggest mysteries connected to this idea is something called desert varnish. In the hottest, driest deserts on Earth, the surfaces of rocks slowly develop a strange, dark, glossy coating over time. It looks as if someone painted the rocks with a layer of shiny black metallic polish. Here's the mystery. Even today, science cannot fully explain how this layer forms. Normally, for minerals like manganese and iron to accumulate into a coating like this, microorganisms such as bacteria would need to live on the rock surface. Their biological activity would drive the chemical reactions required to create it. So what did scientists do? They collected samples of these rocks and brought them into laboratories. They ran DNA tests, searching for the organisms responsible. And the result? Nothing. No trace of life. No detectable DNA. It's as if something came, did the work, and vanished without leaving a single fingerprint behind. Astrobiologists suggest a bold possibility that desert varnish might be the handiwork of organisms from the shadow biosphere. Because they may not possess DNA like we do, our standard biological tests simply cannot detect them. Yet the dark coating on those rocks could be the only visible signature of their existence. And perhaps these invisible life forms don't exist only in deserts. They could be in the air we breathe, in the water we drink, maybe even inside our own bodies.
Number 4. The end and the biggest question.
We have always believed that we understand everything about our world, about life itself. We assumed that extraterrestrial beings must exist light years away on distant planets far beyond our reach. But what if that alien world is right beneath our feet? After everything we have explored today, one question remains. How little do we truly know about our own planet? If you want to discover more hidden mysteries and overlooked scientific revelations like this, stay connected with the Terra Void channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon in another curiosity-filled journey into the unknown.